Hey guys, what's up? So sorry I've been vlogging or making a video or anything. I'm sorry, my schedule's been crazy. But anyways, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a video. So you can either use your phone, that's what I'm using, and I have a Samsung, so I'm using my phone, and I'll show you the process. So you can either use your phone to record, or I also have, later on when you can afford one, I have a webcam that I put on my computer, and it works really well. It is a Logitech. This is what they look like, and it's a cord that you just plug in your computer, USB cord type thing, and your computer. But yeah, that is how you do a simple video. If you guys want me to do more tutorials like this, I will do some more, and my schedule might be a little bit crazy because of school and stuff, but I will still be making videos whenever I got time. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like, comment below and tell me what else you guys want me to do. Until then, oh yeah, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye guys.